Kajanmiat kabusuk bakman pi baro ki palok nong pait sashi sin nga priang sngob habiang pi syakani ka program jongi ka bangila ai kerteng ka straight talks ka program ka bangi kren shpang ka bha kamyat ka roy ka par bat kumjuru ya ki thliu gis ar ki ba shan ya ka rib ka jala jongi hi baro ka wei ka program menta ka sngi kan long ha ka bilingual khnang makan long ru ka jingmentoy na benta baro ki parlok nong pait. Dear viewers, the 21st century has witnessed the genesis and the exodus of in the various fields of science and technology, particularly in the field of the internet, pushing mankind to unfamiliar, dangerous territories. And the topic for today's discussions will be moved on the same lines. So the topic for today's discussion is Do Your Part, Be Cyber Smart. But before we move forward with today's discussion, let us take a look at a short capsule that we have in store for you.
The 21st century is blessed with so much of technological wisdom that sometimes the curse lopsides the blessing. With technology came responsibility and the will to use it responsibly. The new age that we now live in has quickly evolved, thus the internet was born. Internet is defined as a connected group of computer networks allowing for electronic communication. In 1983, the internet was released to the world. The World Wide Web was designed by the European Centre for Nuclear Research in 1989 and allowed for all available published information to be searched and viewed in graphical mode. In 1996, there were more than 25 million computers online in over 180 countries. The internet has metamorphosed and with it, cybercrimes grew from strength to strength. Cybercrimes are criminal offenses committed via the internet or otherwise aided by various forms of computer technology such as the use of online social networks to bully others or sending sexually explicit digital photos with a smartphone. But while cybercrime is relatively a new phenomenon, many of the same offenses that can be committed with a computer or a smartphone, including theft or child pornography, were committed in person prior to the computer age. Some of the forms of cybercrimes are: phishing is the use of fake email messages to get personal information from internet users. Identity theft or misusing personal information. Hacking or shutting down or misusing websites or computer networks. Inciting communalism and spreading hatred among brethren, promulgating terrorism. Grooming, pedophilia, and human trafficking is another that paves way to making sexual advances to minors, distributing child pornography, and has greatly molded the rape culture a new definition. Cyberbullying is one of the worst forms of cybercrimes where many have lost their lives succumbing to the brutal and ruthless attacks. Today there are 4.5 billion people active on the internet. According to a survey, 86% of news on social media platforms are being duped by fake news that are most prevalent on Facebook, YouTube, followed by other social media blogs. With the enormous growth of the human's internet consumption, it is of prime importance to be on our toes, cautious and aware, for our entire life is now hanging by the thread, because if money is the root of all evil, then internet is the bark and the stem.
Hashwa banginya chakmat bakni ka program jongi ngasgo ban pediang ya ki katu katni ki experts ki bai don rangkat bangi ngasgo ban pediang sngo bhashwa I advocate TL Jerwa ni pediang so bhai piba dan ngidonru ya I ba SS Dakar ibade I DSP jong ka cybercrime wing CID Meghalaya. But kaduk ngidon ye ba scam marbo ibadai assistant professor political science Jong Kasinot College. Kuble shiboni pi ba pilaya pelat por banyi dan lang rekat bakani ka program jong ye mentak asngi. Tik jingkli beningkong aku ban pasat chua shapi ba Trevor. Kaya kata ka cybercrime. Bat haduk kanu ka jela jungi kala ngam. Ha ka jing jersey jong kani ka cybercrime.
Te PE kani ka cybercrime ka bangi ong mo. Actually kani kadai ka ba buon nangi jing sya ngimpoi perkhat ba kadon shisha kum kata kham tam kani ka jela ka jungi. Te habangi kumansu sabangan point sya kata ka ban kajing batai halor kata ngasku ban pai kham sedien khandian halor ban ngin suthu ba mensua jisha kadi cybercrime ka ba ngi ong ba cyber kuman su ong ni kong kadi ke balong kono ko ba deal bat ki internet te shua ka internet mensua ki don ki crime ka ba ki beri ki jumlien ban le ki judon ki kam sini ka ba ki jule temalong kat nang ya ki por pat ki beri ya kita ki jo ki kam ki ba ki jule mensua kila shim no pat lingba ka ni ka internet ban pen advance so kata ka kam ni ban pen khamsuk ya urus neu ban le te kuman su kita ki ang ki kanun mishwar ko ba te la kam ki bri ban le bakin le sneu kila judon ko ba ka ri India ka jung hedin berlayo ka independence ka adopt hi kata ka British law 1860 ka baki ong ka Indian Penal Code ka ba ka ni ki bri ki ju ki rius neu ki bale kinu ki kam ki bas neu kadi ka ang ka pen sitom ki tin rei kum ki kam tu kum kini ka child pornography ke bangi ong kum kini ki jingde kini ki tiar ki balong sexually explicit te kidon kum kita kidon kini ki identity theft kum ngi ia ketu capsule mena ki batai ki judon naduk mensuaru te ka ba ka IPC ha tu ka por ka set te la kami kita ki rusnyo tin rei daka hadian baka kadon kata ka advancement ka technology ka bangilai ina do ki spa snem ka khandai spa khandai phau ter khandai pu ar je bad hakri India ka jungi ngila ban ong wa kalalong ka wake up call hadian baka mi ka case 1999 ka case jong ka Yahoo ka ba perlong pat ya ka sarkar India bakan kit khiai ka ni daka bakan sinan od ki ang ki bakarpang baki beri ki belek kam seni uling bagi ni ki core technology kini long kinla bante la kam kumi kita ki brio te takada hakas nem arhajar kedi hujun arhajar bakayo ya ka enactment jong kini ka baki ong kata ka Information Technology Act 2000 te hadin jong jingwan jong kini ka Information Technology Act te ka sami pat dakani ka kalalong ka special law nomor ba dengi keren ya kata ki an hakaba kiba don haka jela hakari ka kadon ka ba ki ong kata ka general law kata ka special law te ka special law ka de ka ba ka de an haba ko mangi ong special kamut ka de ka balong kerpang namata ka te kani ka special law ru kani ka IT Act ru in short ki ong ka IT Act ka Information Technology Act arjar te kani hakajinglong kerpang ka jongka la tahu ya ka la naak ya ka bahkan te lakam ya kita ki rius new ki use ya kini ki core internet ka ba hilar bonong kita ki cyber tenak kade nang tagen ka ba mi bakini ki beri ki bele kita ki kam snew ki ba use ling ba kini ki core internet la ni ki core computers ya kata ki ong kita ki cyber crime ka ba kini ki bele ki kam snew ling ba kini ki core internet ki core computer ki ong ka cyber crime tebat kani ka an ka special act ka ba mi house nam arajar ka ba ki ong Information Technology Act kani ka bate la kami kita te menta ka advancement jong ka internet ngila ong ka advancement ka jong ka balong non stop te hendringin de page pat ka da ka ba haka experience ka jing sngo ka jong ka don pat ka ka ba ngasngo ka ri ka jongi kam dalong efficient ban long lani kam dalong even though ngathara kilong aware ya kani tamba kim smart jisha ka amendment jong kani ka kadang jatang sisien arajar pra kadang mi ka amendment even though ngitep ba kirius ni mata berbor kilong ba way ahead pani ki kai bro te kakam ka basni berbor kakam tam hi mo he kata te nre ngin depet pat ki ang ki batte la kam kani ka cyber crime pat long ka kam dalong hadu kata ka kadan mawala kataru ngidon ka anyi kum kita te bat ngin saya keren syuk Hamadian tarai ya ki.
Ha, ngin saya keren kamhadian Jepang kini ki axe bagi kita ki kendon ki bala bakin protect ki brio mo na kini ki cyber crimes. Tementang kuat ban pasat ikan ka jingkeli Shapiru ba Dakar. Namar pilih pin kam sung tu ba namar P1 naka police department P1 naka CID mo. Ngatrai kini ki cyber crime menta te kila pen bun kam bahaya pi. Te naka department jong pi long naka du kompet kat kum naka department jong pi kay kata ka cybercrime bat hadu kat no tarai ka kala jelai hakani ka jela jongi Meghalaya.
Sure. Nang ekran ka cybercrime, when we talk of cybercrime, Meghalaya per se kumbang iba terma we have seen a rise. You can see from the rate of registration of cases. Arachar kandang idan tang santli case. Bynta arachar kat pra kat kandai idan shispa kat pra shispa lai puwe. Ani kasnam ni kam perkai. Ini naman sutu okay. One reason is there is more indulgence in internet. First, second thing is internet is more available thanks to smartphone, thanks to all the revolution in telecom. So we see a rise, and people are falling more into these traps. Say for example, whenever we have any case registered, we feel bad that innocent people they fall prey for petty crimes. When we think that these crimes could have been avoided, we could have avoided these crimes. There had been just use of simple common sense, like we said, like your topic today. Let's
do your part.
Do your part. Be cyber
smart.
smart. Be smart. Cyber smart. So cyber smart is nothing. Anyone mana ulam smart. The main thing is common sense. Ni kumba brio harap suppose we have a cybercrime case, any fraud case, we get an email, we fall prey for on Facebook. Innocent adolescent or teenagers, even we have seen with senior citizens, they kiya email kiya ashti that phila job lottery kata say some 5 crores. For that you have to pagani pisa processing fee kata. So they have their ways of fishing, like we said in the capsule. They have their own ways of how they fishing. The issue is how do we tackle? That is important. Most important tahani is kadiga general awareness ki paiba. Kadon kam ha ba ki paiba ki day man tip kumna ban apply the mind first, most important. But that nothing comes for
Okay. Ngin saya keren shushu ha kumno bangin pinlang aware kita ki paiba mo. Te pa bat scam ngakwa ban pasal kan jingkli sapi ba kum common man mo kum riu madan. Kay ka jingya pair ka ba pisham ha karukom le iki jingle palat lan iki crime hakipor bakhamen shwa but hakipor mementa.
Gawe galong ba menshwa ka ba ya la lam perang di ba lingwa ajarwa ni te galong ba menshwa kibre ka crime kade galong ta menshwa ki don hi comes new mentar ki don hi comes new henry menshwa galong physical galong ba ki hable document jadi crime henry menta ba ki shong na po ying na po kamera ba ki le ki crime ki jong ki ba ka link ba ka jing harap jong ka core computer te aba penla ba ni na menshwa galong physical kumong menshwa ka involve day ka physical violence kala ban non kata henry menta galong ba da ki ka crime galong bi da ka technology henry ki impact jong ka pa de galong hỏi ka compare ka impact henry ka impact ba menta le ka kamlong ka magnitude ka kam craft so te bomenchu ka nuksa mong na kumenshwa haba ki bre menshwa ki dang kampadon ka core computer kitu kilet da kamet bantu kilet na bang ki lute ki bre na suro ni menta phi ki bre kam kamera pisa so te menta ki lap dekalat kalenti haga jing penon kamenta lagi ni ki internet banking ki shim na tu kalat kalenti ban yo bantu na ki bre te ki kar kom tu jung ki golong kembala kren i ba DSP golong ba ki pha ingi hakimel ki pha ingi hakimel ki ong ba ngang dei papangkan sa bang la jan yap ting ron kam ye i ban ai kan ki pisa janga ka bang ngadon ban le philanthropy work Shaki underdeveloped countries ki ong ta ki jat ki don ding ki ong ba ki pha meal chingi ki ong ba ni di ki Christian based organization ni don kam menyerap ye ki brew shaki underdeveloped countries ki pun ki meal ki bagi pha te ki criminals mentah ka long ki long very refined kim de ki tu ki ba long violent kita ki long very refined ki long penang ki start kim de show ki bit ya de ki penang ki start ba ki pen kam de por technology but kan ni ka but kumentang ni kren du yung gini ka sexual crime mo dimensua ke sexual crime but mentah hiru kanang don ni ka physical sexual crime henry mentah kalau don de sakta ka online sexual crime ke ba ki pen kam de ki video de ki dur de mentah kalau babun ki bre ki long fall victims to that de ki laba ki bon ki bre ki fall victim to these kind of online crimes but don't think ki ba commit ki ka crime ki ba perpetrate ka crimes don't think gini ki ba ito baro don't think ha jinga shania iwe ki share ki dur ki dar ki jong ki dem tu bada hadir bi pher jing mod ki send ki spread ki messages ki dur ki dar ki jong ki ba mata ka crime dem kolong hakamta makani ka technology kolong very fast te ka don ke jinge per paling mencuba ba menta kolong ba ka don ke ba financial henry ka don ba ke psychological mencuba kolong physical menta kolong psychological but kala ban drive ki bri what ban commit suicide
ladang ipet ya kita ka psychological aspects mo jong kini ka cyber crime ladang i compare ya ka ri India bai kiwi ri pareng ni iba haki ri pareng kum ka Germany kidan de ki kendon ba ki kena hadu khalai snam ka baki padap khalai snam kinu palla bande ikini ki social media kinu palla bande Instagram tambah ladangi pet ha India pada kalong kum ke kadon ka jinglat lan ye ki kena bakin penon kam hatu ladangi pet du ikini ki cyber crimes menta bun ki crime si kidi baki commit da ki kena de hatu ke India advocate hatu ke India ka kala sedang ne ban pet ya kani ka phang ba kin sedang no bandon no ki an ki kanun ban te lakam ne kadang long lan bit ne
tingin dai kran ya kata ka subject mo kala shu wan no kumni ken ke kawan no kata ka pros and cons jong kan ne ka jing penan kami kini technology mo te if you compare baki kumkari Germany ki balalong ki developed countries ki lalong way advance nomor ba baling ong way advance nomor with advancement kemun ki dai ki beri anang lasta bubuni ki beri ki anang lasta if you nginda compare papat kari ke jongi ke ba ka literacy rate ke jongi hakari ke jongi kalong very low menuju kain mo haduk baki adult tu teng kindayo ki mobile kindayo ki kimnang mante la kami la de kidang sakam sakitu ki temptation jong kini ki balong jong ki scam jong ki kadang kata ke kawai kade ke jing bi kawai kade ke jing lalot kade ke greed ka bagin di kumbala ai nuksai ba khar ba kidawan kum kita ki email kum kita ki message they fall prey into all such things tekamut kawai ke jing nang jing start kadang duna ba hoi kimpa dalong vigilant han kata te barkin te laka melody nomor kalak bende majority of the time ke bang
can I add something?
Yes.
Sure.
See, kalong ni kan, government the P apply account ha bank anyway. You apply, say suppose you have gone P apply kawai savings account ha bank PI ki documents, P dan ki documents, P verify. There's a KYC format kadang bro. Tambah, let's say P kuat ban play account ha Facebook na Instagram. yeah, for that matter, Twitter or any social media platform. Kimpan verification, they'll ask you your mobile number, they'll ask you, no, kuna ba police school. Dan hi katuka that musim ngar that inquisitiveness na ngar ngakwa banong advance. I want to make a face. So it's very easy for impersonation, and there is no criteria on Facebook. Anyone can follow this because there is no verification. Only verification is you get P or OTP or email ID that the code can one ka email ID, and anyone can provide email ID. For now, regarding with respect to your question, India done kanika regulation, and like it or not, we don't have any regulators in non-regulator. Like banks ki don't say RBI, stock exchange ki don't SEBI. For this, there is no regulator. It becomes very difficult for us.
Te kandiat pat haita kaslom ta mengatharai mata iba ela ban agree ban nga bereguliat kadai ngatharai ki kerta kata kapisah nomor beli lading ikwa ban make transaction ki one OTP apa phone ndre ban regulate ki wei pat ki nomor mata finder pe ki crime ma through the use of internet kimdai tang hi ki scam ma mainly ban attract ki youngsters ma kum ki adolescents manipulate example ki social media kaba jengkali ke jeng piru kalau mesti ki don that age restriction ban use ki hangni jungi bakam dan so ka bumut ba hangni hi hakari ke jungi hi da ka basusi kalong ba kalong lai lan kani ke jeng penan kami ini ki internet ke jeng penan kami ini ki computers habakin la ban access to all the non-open all that potential website lene potential platform kaba kibri kila lene ki youngsters kila belong victim so I think so they hakata ni semua ba kadon kam nomor ba as bandon nomor ba as of now hi kam dadon kan kata te
sakoi ka question mga kan pasachpi like ladang ipet ya kini crime that is being committed against women mo kung gini sexual crimes against women de hatu nadu baka jingwan jong kani ka internet ka sexual crime yaki riu kan thai kala nang jur ne ka sa kum ju ne kum no
te kalong kum ni again it depends on your perception, and of course I'll agree ka munta with the advancement of internet television technology we are getting more aware. That is why people, they are aware of rights, they are registering. Earlier days they were not. But that being said, we cannot disagree that every day on a day basis there is crime against women committed, registered.
But ladang you crunch pang crime against women more long one thing that we are forgetting is the crime against men ro. The crime against men. Namar ba baro not all rape victims are rape victims. Some of them ru kidan kibaki issue pretend to be rape victims. Like lada kiwan kum gitu ki case. Like kumno pipenya pair. Ya kita ki rape victims ki basisha but kitu ki rape victims ki bom day basisha. Hadu kadang ka some kind of like system ba la ban penya pair ba kino ki badai shisha ba kino bom day shisha.
See, this topic is a bit tricky. Why? Because mangi kung pipulit ngi rakam chingi tang man investigate. Yumde ban we are not there to pass judgment.
Yes.
We will whatever we investigate will come. We will produce it as evidence and it will be produced in court. Now it is up to the person who is standing on trial. A friend from the law fraternity will be able to explain this better. Yes, there are cases. We'll not. In hundreds there will be 1-2 cases like that. Why? Reasons, maybe a lot of reasons, compensation, a lot of things.
Yeah.
Maybe as a vindictive out of vindictiveness, maybe because of sextorting. That is also there. A lot of factors are involved. But we as policemen, we have to see crime as it is. We cannot be partial.
Yeah.
Right. So we cannot pass on prima facie on the as the case we see, we cannot pass judgment that this is who's right. We cannot be moral policing.
Yeah.
That is up to the court. We will see the case how it is.
But ka jingkali jang kalong ba lang is there a kind of a system bangin la bangin pensisya namar ba long for example on the face level if anyone comes up to the police and says I have been raped, the first impression bangin done ba yes she has been raped, but then kidan long ki rukom bala ba ka pulit kala ban budin ba ban pensisya ba syarif ne ke kham syarif shisha.
See, kalau ni, whatever complaints come, we have to take it as genuine. We have to register because it's a serious offence, and crime against women is being seen very seriously in our country. For that matter, we come even when we write to social media platforms, when we tag that it is regarding sexual content or regarding child pornography, they respond faster. Why? Because the subject is so important. So we are not there to pass judgment.
Yeah.
During the course of investigation, you come to know.
Okay. So ni ka jingkling ako aban pasat si ba marbo ani. As an observer mo long kum uriu madan tu pisiam ba kani ka cybercrime ka bu jing ye ubriu ubalong riu madan bine ka khambu jing ye tu briu bala khampau
Ti kata ka jingli ka kham long tricky hindiat ba namar ba ba pau riu madan namar ba kawan level hidei bo riu madan another level hidei riu ba pau ti ini kan jubab orang kum ni kan ba hi kani ka cybercrime kan kumachu like ngani ka financial fraud mo yang saya perkat ikan ni namar ba yang saya yo phone call like the so called branch manager bank manager of SBI this that te phi ki kren yang ni namar kini ka cybercrime so far ngampa juyo call no bekren khasi tinga saya yo kren ba bekren hindi le ne kun pareng te dapin Kenya ka tu ukap long safe ubri ubolong illiterate bom sung thu hindi bom sung thu pareng na bau sunong kondong na keren kum ta unum pi hiru keren yu spele bi ka phone ada te ka hakap ko tu ka call kini ki bri ba nang la start ki ba im hasor ki kham fall pre namar kila nang ban converse ban ya keren par hak ji ya keren ki ai ki details ka jong ki te lamba ki bri ki ba fall victim ya gitu ki financial fraud through phone calls ki ba pan ya ki pin ki card number penlam ki ki bri ki ba orang highly educated but reach the highest level of degree in education kan for penlam ba ka ba film so langin ba ki can fall victim hen namar ba ki tu ki na kaliang ki fraudsters ki ba commit to a crime ki long so well trained maybe ban ya keren but ki ban pengop ya ki te ngalap ya kata ki beki na nam ta ka financial fraud ngalap ki break ba la nang ban ya kren ban ya so thu hindi ban ya so thu kren pareng ki kham long pray to that victor that kind of a problem but ka we ka long ba ko ba kren i ba mene i spangani ki ba fall victim hi ki dei penlap ki dei ki break ki ba kwat bisa kita la yo message nginga yo message no pin adu ki por arajar nyo pra kandai tu dengan but simple phone di por kila yo congratulations ba kila job ya kata ka lottery ciklur arkulur te pi ko ba ka keren ni ba kar kalong ba ni dei ban apply ya common sense ka jongi te kini hi ki ba khamlong fall victim ya ka tu ki dei hi irrespective ki bala bala man puli tu mo pi ko bene ki nong kondong kim su thu pareng tho da pareng ti bla syukut kum tu ndai ngi bla tho nang man tho ban puli pareng ngi su thu biar tempted ban reply ada long tempted ban reply ki tu bade ki saya sapan itu ki details ki sa ai ki sa then ki dan problem te ko bang nong pi kan ka cyber crime kan ko long so diverse ka ba ba te kum ko musa anu sai phi ngam tip shu ka de cyber crime ne kan de financial fraud ne kam de ne na mar ba nga wat ka wi ka kot bang amut ban thiet ka bang lawat keleng syaki dukan kot asyalong buat seguati ngala le na du publisher ngala kamdan chuta ka kot te awat online tinggal apa tak kawai website kabadi tak kot kan list pakadon tiga day ka pisah kalong ko ban rius pa tam tak pisah te ha jingkwai tak kot nga si dia ndala siu ngam yo respond na kata company tak website ka ba dia tak kot dengan thok syaki no reply dia don't think kani ka bangi fall victim to but phila ban ong ba kata jing thiet kot jongaru kali ka part of cyber crime namar ka di ka cheating ke cheating le badang tu kolong bagi pan bisa kilong ki di ka kot actually kem deliver ki kem respond kamot ka di part of cyber crime ti pinlap kom ngi wat ki belai kai college ni fall victim ni fall victim on the basis of circumstances ti kan ni jing fall victim ya ka cyber crime di kolong diverse so komentar para ko ba ye keren mene kini ki kena ki bisa kidnap ti kidnap mentah pelap kini trafficking human trafficking mentah kalau ba ki kidnap mensua ki pengkut betang prostitution henry mentah ki le di online prostitution bro ti ya katur ki le mentah ti kalau ba ki don ki at different levels ki bahap ha kan ka cyber crime at different levels ki don ki bagi bre ki ba kwa yo kam yo jam through online ki kwa yo kam yo jam henry ki you tepen ko mara ni kana spuli kawai ke bre ke bale business online hago ji le business online ki jongka ka sha cheat bro ti kalong ba kani ka cyber crime ken kalong ko very complex but ka don kam hi ke mongi ba mene bangin apply ya ta utmost common sense ke jongi but in sense ta kalong genuine but ni dai long ban sian ya ka yu ka ni be ya deal but ka technology ka we ka long ba phi da don hang ni physical crime haper thai ka real crime in the real world ka ni ka virtual ka suk ban let file complaint check police ka suk hindi mentang problem ko long ba la da phi le ya ki bale commit ya ka virtual crime through computers kalong siya ipin file complaint number 50 utuba ubale itu ka crime sedang na i Shanghai barkan ngathrai ngam tip mo ba phi bida police department hadu kan no hila ban solve ka tu ko problem la dangi report cha phi
kata te ngan pasano sa kani ka jingkali ka bakab kong san cha phi ba tribor mane phila akran chapang ka Indian Penal Code but phila akran ru chapang ka IT Act 2000 te phila ban pensyai ke ai ba kini ki kita ki sections ki ba nila ban penhap ye kini ki breu ki ba commit ye kini ki cyber crime
tingin dia ya sekita kalau kong ni mentah kini ka habang mene ngalap pensyai ba ke don ka general law ke don ka special law te yakum kini ki chat ba ka subject mentah kalong cyber crime kemut kalau along kata ka special kan hab ka special law te kemut kan hab ka IT Act ke Information Technology Act te kebumut ba kani ka IPC haki babun ki bentale kan namla suban apply no kani ka special act te la dengi crunch phangita ki identity theft ngi crunch phangi ni ki child pornography lane ba ka jingto yaki core computer lane ki data kidan kum kita various types of computer theft kadan kaba no computer theft kam ong tamba fito ek to ka computer reka dai ru ba fito ki data ki resources ki badan po jongka and in that way you are committing a crime so hakum kita ka provision jongka section 43 jongka IT Act ong ba it's a crime kaba ka offense ka jongka pat kilong ba ka punishment will be extended up to 3 years and ka fine ka laban extend do 5 lakhs ro so kidan kum kita ki various types of provisions ki bala ai te ka an hang ni ngin ko per beleng ong ba kana kala kan khamba bangin da ka jingwan jong ni ka special act number ki la kham khlain khniat banya ka IT Act kum ban shong no ka identity theft kumut yo kumut ka jing ong ba PPD ita andre ka ba phim dei ka ba PPE la long number PPE ka ID thok kan ka jang pi ba fikle ba PPD ita ta ma phim dei tang ba fin yo benefit te Hapok ke IPC mensyua ka don kita giong cheating by way of personation, cheating by personation, by personating yourself. Bapidei ita. Te kidon kum kita gi ke imo ka bah hapok ka IPC mensyua ka kham ka kom ai ka sentence ka more or less it's the same extend up to 3 years. Badan ka don pat sakita ki pecuniary sentences ru ka ba ka pamut ki fines. Te ki fine ki kham he ka mut ya ka bamentahi tambah ka bangi yang ni nomor beli kat kum kini ka IT Act ru kidi bendon gini ki special courts ru nam tajung kini ka bahaduk menta ka jela ka jungi ngan dapat kat kum ka experience ka jonga yo nga ka bangi hapo babun ki states ru ka ri ka jungi kim don kita ki special courts te so usually what they do nomor bamdan special court kidang apply gini ki IPC te ngatrai ba dakari laban correct engal ladang bakalang ta kaba even though kedon makan ki various provisions jong IT Act ki ai daka IPC te but kidon ki cap ru kaba kin ai makan ka IPC ki ai lang but IPC but IT te hang tur enteng ka kami ka belong confusion kan tembang ye tai bentang aku bai ba dakari laban correct engai ong bakala kanangar nganyo some kind of insight lani feedback ni.
Tambah kum dangshan ru ya katuka ITI ka way naki ITI ka Supreme Court of India
66A.
Yeah, 66A. It kala
kelas
scrap. Kelas scrap. Te haba ya dei katuka 66A ka ba longkum ka protect iki citizens. Haba mentala scrap of ya katu. Kamut ba manu ru anyone on Facebook, on social media can do whatever they want and they can say whatever they want.
Kalau ni, mentah ketu ke an 66A mo ketu lak scrap ya ke hawa raja katsan. Te balik scrap ya ketu. Nomor baka ke Supreme Court hi, por baka wan ketu ka issue syaka Supreme Court. Kong ba it is unconstitutional. Balik kalong unconstitutional. Nomor ba kumban syong pi, kumban pentep ru iki nongpai. Ba kenika kabaki ong kata ka hok bangin keren. Freedom of speech. Kalau day kata ka fundamental right, ka Indian Constitution, ka IP under Article 19. Kapapi don ka hok bafin keren. Marbele kani gari demokrasi ka bangila ban lada don kono ka bafin sutanat you know mikmat la ni no ka banta against the government you can always say it's healthy. So te kamot ba with 66A part ka ongkom no 66A part ka ong ba ada fikiran kuno kebangangam sutanat. It's an offense. Pi ke Supreme Court hak tu bor bakal ke hearing jong ketu ka case ke baki ya tai kan ni. Kong ba kata kalaban sumbang lamin feel offensive. Lada feel offensive, it's an offense. Tu kong no. Sometimes when you say something it is an offense to you but it might not be an offense to the other. So most of the time after 66A bakala introduce ka arjar pra amendment kolong no jaka bukan penbaha kanam ni kepat ba nginyo ban exercise kata ka right te kependuko penman nomor beli ngingem la ban keren nam taka ya ka persyai ke sarkar and everything ada ngim sutanat iki leaders ke jungi ngomlong nomor beli mainly menu ban sumong menu ban IKS persyai most of the time aku tu ke por ke ek baja hadin baka mix 66A ke lengkari ka kedai kata ke ba ki politicians they use that as a weapon to silence the masses lani to silence any be it an individual and kata kom silent kamde ko bagi demi surok ta bagi mi surok bagi protes ki no if you just post a Facebook comment lani status apa Facebook and Instagram and any print media ro that is considered as an offense. So takada Supreme Court kong no. If it is a healthy criticism, mana marbelai kumasyu no. Lara kadai makana healthy criticism. Sometimes the other person nomor bakal ada kata ka da kadai kata ka jingpin kata ka mera mo ipi. Maksudnya lada fikiran makana ke badairu. They feel offensive. So because of that, kalau along no kum katakan ba fikiran kuno bangam stana it's an offense. So kadon kata ka jingitai takarawi
Okay.
ki scrap no ekuto ka 66A.
Okay, ladangi pai shaka freedom of speech and expression. No? Long, when we are talking about freedom of speech and expression, we have seen in the last 2 years in our state that the freedom of speech and expression is being used in a very different form. So I would like to ask you, sir. Like I think in the past few months as well, you have seen that there has been a lot of riling around the internet. There has been a lot of cyberbullying.
Okay.
There has also been a lot of people that are misusing the internet. They are also indulging themselves, let's say, in cyber terrorism, as you can see. And in that aspect, nothing has been done till now because of 66A that is being scrapped. So I would like to put a question to you, is if we go according to Article 153A, that stands to protect, for the purpose to punish persons who indulge in wanton vilification or attacks upon the religion, place of birth, residence, language, etc. of any particular group or class, or upon the founders and prophets of a religion. In the past few days, there has been a lot of videos that are going online. Why is nothing being done till now? Like, what are the challenges that are being faced by the police department?
We are taking up cases.
Yeah.
The only thing is we don't publicize of what we are doing. We are taking up cases, and we have a specific monitoring cell that monitors all social media platforms. So from time to time we pick up cases, and it's not because 66A is struck down we don't take up cases in other IT acts. There is 66F for cyber terrorism, then there is 66CD for impersonation and cheating. Then even 153A, very recent past also we have taken cases.
Yeah.
We have taken. It's not that we wanted to add something.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I would like to add to that.
Yes, please.
See, actually, just because 66A is no longer there,
Yeah.
that doesn't mean that a person now in the country have a right to say whatever they want to say. Be it, without any filter or without any stoppage to the extent of their speaking to their heart's content. Okay, because why? If it is anything that they say which is hurtful, which is inciting violence, we still have a law under IPC, under the Indian Penal Code, and you will see the law from section 505 to 510.
Yes.
510 of the IPC. So it's not that once 66A is no longer there, that means people can say whatever they want to say without thinking about hurting their religious sentiment or hurting the reputation of a person. So law is still there in existence, and I think the law enforcing agency, if there's any such a case, they can definitely entertain a report, and they can definitely register a case under those provisions of the IPC.
Yes. In talking about filing a case and in talking about laws that are being protected, recently we have seen that in Lao Sotun, there was a case where a group of boys were being beaten up by a group of boys, and it is so very common that when you are a boy, then you will obviously be beaten by others. Like I have been in that shoes, and I have also beaten other boys, and I have also been beaten by other boys. But never for once that we have seen a person would go and will turn it into a communal conflict. But recently we have seen that each and every single thing that is being done or that is happening in the state is being turned into a communal conflict, and it is so very clear. And because of this, we are in a state of communal tension. Now we have people from West Bengal using the internet to their whims and fancies, and they are instigating the people that are here in Shillong, which is something that is very serious. And as you can see, social media and the internet is boiling up, and it is about to explode. So, sir, I would just like to put this question to you. An FIR has been it has been registered, but up till now, nothing has been done to those people. They have not been arrested, and no action has been taken against them. Their social media accounts has not been taken down. So, what is the reason behind all this? Like, why is nothing happening to these people? Why are they still out there in the loose, free from the noose?
Like on the outset, when we started this program, I said that we cannot, we don't have control over these social media platforms.
Yes.
And people tend to take to such platforms which has more coverage. So for that matter, Facebook, social media platforms have more coverage. You agree or disagree, but today's date, the hard fact is they have more coverage. If you have to flash something or news, it will travel faster through WhatsApp and Facebook rather than any news.
Yeah.
So people take advantage, and the best part is it's free and there is no control. But from time to time we keep monitoring, we write to the respective agencies, and we are keeping a track of these things.
Yes, sir, I would just like to you to also highlight on the use of the VPN and the IP address. How is through the VPN and IP address people are taking advantage through social media?
So, thank you for taking this up. This shows that when we investigate, like we said, coming to the previous topic that you said, why can't we track these people? Issue is when we write to a particular platform, social media platform, we write to them that please provide us the IP so that we can identify. I see what happens in cybercrime. Most of the cybercrime, the first task, the most difficult task, is identifying the culprit, the end user. What happens is, in such cases, when we write, the virtual private network or VPN, they use this VPN to route their IP, to veil the IP, so that if I have to track you, the IP, I track to that particular end user through the IP. And if I use a VPN, my IP will be routed through a different country altogether. So where Indian police don't have jurisdiction, but that is only in virtual world. VPN is a big challenge for us.
Okay. Now I would like to put a question to Ba Marba. In the last, I think it was just yesterday, after some of the placards that came about, that some of the people were not in favor of some of the writings that were there in the placards that of the protests. And as a result of this, a lot of girls are being targeted. Their pictures are being taken, they are being put into a collage, and they are being shared on all the different social media platforms as traitors, Delilahs, then Nongdiri, and Jat Benreo. As a common man, I feel that this is a very serious thing. According to you, I know you are someone who does not use social media so much, but I guess you are aware of this. What are your thoughts on this?
You see this leveling, man caught, unong deri, kamenderi, kung gitu gijing keren kan, kum lagi bat mai, ki long hina do menshua, tambah kalong ba hagi ba menshua ki keren, shua keren pai ba om tu, habayai yang habai kan do beriu, te kumai keren mana kalong ba ka spread jangka kamlong far reaching. Tapi mentah pada kalong ba kada ding ching don jo gini ka technology, tibo ya kentien, menderi, traitor, nane kinu kentien ki ba long offensive. Belong negative, kipo sakidur, hang tu kamlong clear show, kamlong more presentable to people to see, more attractive, and then but spread that. Pi away kalong ba ngamar ngam tip ya an mo biar dia buat kali ngambat kumno bagi brave kila ban syakem de banam syakem kile kum tu hendai kalong distasteful. Pi kalong man bu ya ka dor jongno ha social media claim le your permission ngam tip hatu kolong legal ni kan long legal pi ka tu chwa ka kolong ba kinu pendon kam ya ke social media whether link ba ke WhatsApp and ke Facebook dan ke Twitter dan ke nuka platform ki dai ban behave responsibly kawai kalau nak Bynta ke jing onong hi jongki kawai kalau ba kinu mi tung khu ba ki an ba kinu mi sha ban sha file FIR but kiwi ki legal action ki ba dai ban kendo but daga mi kum gitu ba kenya face problem hi maki nang tabare nak non neteng nak kena negligence ke jongki nak jing bomlong away jongki ya kata ka jing don ji ken don ai ka penlong ki let's say ki long ki barang kham khna ki barang kham song shit ki le gitu ti ki khnam ta ki long text sabi claim paper khat ya ka legal and legal implications of that te ki le te ka long ek badon kam ki long ba ki ha kinu ki ba pendon kam ki ni social media ki den perkhat de om tang ya kata kalong no ek image chung ki we ki dim perkhat ning kong swai le de yo ki sangat ha kanu ken don chung ka ai ka ba ka de kham tam le ki khna ibran kham khna le pinjin ja sa ki yeng ka sem chung ki am di chu tang ya ki mar we te ka ba don kam hi kalong ba ki dei ben perkhat ya ta but ki dei ben long mindful hi phi ka society hi kam dei ben chulong lai lan ban si penon kam gi kintin penon kam ki dur kat khabamon kamen sem dan teng ya ki kintin phi ki kuma ki kren men freedom of speech and expression kamut ba ngan le cosnep iki we kam dei kata ndai ke ba long constructive ka long acceptable ka long civilized kata ni la men you ndai men ta ba de ke kintin ka ba ki penon kam hoi nga sei i gitu gi jing tho jong ki ka long ba ka kam long ka ba itanan but kam dei hi te but cái này mọi người cái tu hi ki cái lo mo là cái đó cái đấy hi bên sim action cái khang bên long nọ bên encourage ya kum gitu ki ching le la ki
te ba tribor nga ko ban pasat ya kani ka jingkli shapi ba ya kum gitu ki brio ki ba penleran ki ba that madan ke ha ki kundon ayu ba kalau kala ban pengat ya kum gitu ki brio ki ba that madan ki brio ha social media
pi kumbang ala batai mene kata ka freedom of speech and expression kumbalong kadan la kalimet mo te la dai don pat ki brio kum kine ki ba lingba ki kitien lingba ki incite violence mo te mene hal ado batai ba anda da IPC ki don kini ki kendon do 505 510 but week pat ro mo pok IPC kidi ki kendon ki bala ban te la kami kini bala ban punish kumi kita ki jaj brio te kemut kamdei ka ong ba kamdei ka ba lalong kembang jubab yang iba marbok ru ba tip kadon nem dan ka ain tengah ngong ba ka ain kadon kumti ki jaj brio
te kuman chupen kan mau mo tangi ki kuman chupen kan mau ki nong pet ya kan ka program jong ya kan ka por lada pila sha bully lada pila sha threaten lani lada don ki ba penting pen smith lani pen bu ep ha ka jingma pila ban kontak ya ka cybercrime police department ya ka CID ka description kala don ha ka box pila ban pet but link ba nang tu pila ban call ki pila ban text ki kilong ki balakloi ban yarap but kila long ki bakloi ru bakin take up action persya ikitu ki breu ki ba penting pi ki ba bu ya ka jing im jung pi ka jing ma bat ru ki ba persyang pan penleranya pi Bynta kan poi sa ka kawe ka jingkeli ka ta ka jingkeli ngan bu ep ya ngan bu ep ba dakar as someone who comes from the police department mo ka ka jingkan tu kan pham ka ba phi kwa ba phin ai khadu ya kinong pe jong ni program
Dishbun ngila ku ahi ba beladan kani ka covid beladan kani ka klam kani ka por imyo kedo iki paiba imyo manle ki awareness program is kadon ka jing susi mutasi asu komen sem ba yolan na ka liang dudashan ba membon from this platform ma appeal ya pi bara ma let's say pi dan ru regarding ban report regarding cybercrime, please contact us with this number that we have given. And like I said, kumbang Mukong shwai bansangani program that please apply your mind. We have to be very rational, and nakanoru. At least we have to verify. We don't go with the blind truth. We don't go with the blind news that yes, this is even be it for fake news, be it for any lottery that you have won. Verify. If suppose there is a call, please verify whether the such agency exists or not. There is like internet it's a tool. We use it both ways. We can use as a tool and instrument. It can be used for constructive method also. We use the internet only to verify whether such groups exist, whether such numbers are authentic. Please don't fall prey for fake news or such cybercrimes.
But kumtu ngila poyer ta chaka bakut jong ka ni ka program jongi ka bangi la ai kerteng ka straight talks habangi ekran chapang ka right to freedom of speech and expression ka wei ka banga kwa ban pentep shapi ki pat ba ka right to freedom of speech and expression ru ka don ya ka restriction kimlong absolute but lada pikwa ban appeal pila ban pet biang itu ki number but pila ban send a message sha ki cyber police lada pi dan hakanu ka position ka ba film sungula banle bat film tip kumnu ban tackle yakini ki bullies jong pi ki ba attack pi bat kumtu pat palong no ngam ilapoi sha ka bakut jong kani ka program jongi ngin saya syambyang la syam tayau kata hakaju kapor san baje janmit syongsuk syongsan uneu de mebonling doar tu blai undang ye kerku ye pi kublai shibun